Hello everybody and welcome to the video. For this video, I'm going to be making some bumper stickers with my Cricut machine. The first thing we got to do is jump into Cricut Design Space. This design is already done up, so I'm just going to upload it into the app. I'm going to remove the white background from the picture, and then after it's all loaded in, my app on my tablet prompts me to name the image before I save it, so I'm just going to quickly name it. And then once we get it all loaded in, I want to add a background. Now you could do this so just the word or just the image, what you see here, that black image, it can go on the vehicle just like that. You can change it to whatever color you want, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a background. If I wanted to just cut that image out of vinyl, I could do that. But what I'm going to do for this project is a little bit different. I'm just going to add a background to it. I'm just going to bring in a circle, and I'm going to overlap the image onto the circle as the background. I'm going to make 3 different colors for this design. I'm going to have pink, blue, and white background for this design, depending on what some mom's preference would be. Duplicate it again because I'm going to print them 2 at a time, 2 per sheet. For this project, I'm using Koala glossy printable sticker paper, and this is waterproof sticker paper, which is important. You can get regular glossy sticker paper, but if you're putting it on a vehicle to be out in the weather, you want something waterproof. So we got these printed out. These are going to be bumper stickers. So they all say proud member of the Hot Mess Moms Club. So we're going to cut them out with the Cricut and then look at the final results. So we're going to put down the first one on our mat. Just going to tape it down to make sure it's in place. Okay, and these are glossy papers. Like, this is waterproof, glossy, printable sticker paper. Hold on, it's not lined up right. There we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this tape and I'm going to put it over the corners just like this. This will make it so my Cricut reads it without causing a problem. Because with glossy sticker paper, my Cricut has a hard time reading the black lines. So I just do this. This is one of the methods. I have showed a different method in a previous video. I'll pin that in the top of the other method that I use. But this is just one method to make sure that my Cricut will read these corners. So we're going to go pop that in the Cricut. So I'm going to make sure that the dial is at vinyl for this project. Loaded it in, hit this button right here. And then I'm just going to quickly make sure that my computer is loaded onto the right page. As you can see here, there's 3 different colors. There's pink, blue, and white. And they might be slightly off from each other. So you just make sure that you're cutting the correct one. So right now I'm cutting the pink stickers. So we're just going to make sure that that one is highlighted, which it is. I go ahead, it's all ready to go. So we're just going to hit cut. So we hit cut with the machine. And it's going to go ahead and start scanning it and then cutting it out. These are really big because they're going to be bumper stickers. Normal stickers I make much smaller than this, but these are going to go on the back of vehicles, vans, cars, etc. So they are bumper stickers, so they're going to be big enough to read from a good distance. So after it's cut, you can either cut it so it just cuts out the sticker, or you can cut it so it cuts all the way through. Oh. So that's the finished product. We're just going to cut the rest of these out. So the stickers are all finished. Let's put one on the van. They are glossy, waterproof stickers. You can find a sticker paper on Amazon, on the Cricut site, at Michael's, your local crafting store. All those places offer printable sticker paper in a variety of brands. I have a few different kinds. There's matte, there's glossy, there's waterproof. There's different kinds. You want different kinds depending on the project that you're going for. Let's go pop one of these on the van. I am just going to grab a Lysol wipe to clean the dirt off the van, a piece of paper towel to dry it, and we're going to put on a pink sticker, pink bumper sticker. Proud member of the Hot Mess Moms Club. Let me know what you guys think of these bumper stickers in the comments. And should I make mini versions so people can put them on their phone cases and anything else that they might want to stick it to, maybe the back of their laptop, whatever people put stickers on. Let me know what you guys think of this and which is your favorite color. What other color should I do? These are really easy to apply. Just clean the area, dry it. And then you just gotta peel the back off. Just give me a second, I need another hand to do that. So as you can see, we're starting to peel it. It's a little windy out. This is where we're putting it. Right here. And there we go.